everyone. I am Shrisha Chaturvedi and I am presenting you Law Intel, which is AI powered legal assistant, which is designed to make the work of educators or students much more easier by using this. In this, we can study and get the information of legal resources, long lengthy documents that are provided by the government of India in a very simple language and in short notes. And here we can do this by, like, if we have to know about what is Article 21. So we will type here and we click on generate. It will generate the legal research of Article 21. I have using here the REG architecture, which was powered by Google Gemini 2.5 Flash. And here you can see that it has generated AI study notes and some practice MCQ as well. Now, if we talk about if we want a legal summary of some topic, like if we have typed here constitution and we click on generate, it will generate the legal summary of Constitution of India. Like here you can see it is giving you a crisp and very short legal summary of Constitution of India. Now if a student need to practice some MCQs, here we have a separate section for MCQ generation as well. Like if we type here fundamental rights, so and we click on generate, it will generate the fundamental rights MCQ for the practice of an student, and it is very accurate in terms of the details we have provided in the PDFs forms. Like you can see here, it has generated the MCQs as well, and it has also given an explanation if you got stuck in some option. So this is this, and our vision for this law intel is that our long-term vision for law intel is to enable it with and evolve it with India's AI legal intelligence platform, capable of automatically incorporating official legal documents and updates and amendments, government notification, and court judgments from trusted public legal resources. Thank you so